Hey there, how are y'all doing today? Today we are going to be taking a look at a Seiko Astron as you see here on the box. And this is one of the Seiko Astron GPS Solar 2025 limited editions. So here in this little hard paper box there, you have the warranty and everything. And let's get to the meat of the matter. And we'll take a look here at this Seiko Astron box. And here we go. Let's open this critter up. And this is the SSH183. This one here, I think they have a lot of great editions, limited editions here for Astron this year. This one with that orange really pops. It's just a fantastic looking watch. I mean, in the pictures it looks good, but here in real life it looks even better. I think this is probably the home run of the year for Astron. The dial here is inspired by the high speed journey of light, and that's why you got kind of those lines running across it, and then you see kind of like a little bit of a prism when you look at the dial. And this is a 5x83 caliber limited edition Seiko GPS Astron. And here's another look at that dial. So this dial features a horizontal pattern with intermittent lines, evoking the image of light traveling at high speed. And you've got a ceramic bezel and the vibrant orange, neon orange accents. So it's a very sporty, racing-looking watch, inspired by the speed of light. You've got ceramic in the band and around the bezel. And it's a real cool look with the black and the steel, and then the orange being a little bit, of the accent of it. And this one's limited edition of 1,200 pieces altogether worldwide. And again, trying to move it back and forth so you can kind of see that little, rays of light, as they call it. You can see it kind of shining on the dial. See how it glistens, the orange there. Kind of like a really neat effect for the dial of this watch. Again, the dial is inspired by the high speed of light. And this one is a GPS Solar. The case material is titanium with the super hard coating, and it's got a ceramic and aluminum bezel. The crystal is a dual curved sapphire crystal with a super clear coating on it. And of course you got the Lumibright on the hands and indexes. And this is kind of a built-in band, so it's a 14 millimeter lug width. Again, it's titanium, and just overall a really sharp looking watch. This one it's got an overcharge prevention function. It is basically the most modernized Seiko Astron that they've made. Again, this is the caliber 5x83. Its water resistance is 10 bar or 100 meters. And it's got a world time function on it, 38 cities, and you've got the power reserve indicator on there as well. So with the Seiko Astron, what happens is you've got 3 to 4 satellites that kind of pinpoint where the watch is, and then it gives you the correct time where you're at. And here it is on my wrist. Just a really sporty, sharp looking watch. The size of this one, I got a 7.5 inch wrist. The diameter of this guy is 43.5 44 millimeters. So just over 43 millimeters, just under 44, and lug to lug it's 49.5. So it has a little bit of a bigger wrist presence. The thing I get with this a lot is it's kind of nice to have alternative metals. Seiko's looking forward. You know, Seiko really looks into tradition, but it's nice that they're looking forward with the Seiko Astron line. And they do this with alternative materials, the ceramic, the titanium, and everything. And here's the Luma Bright going on here. Beautiful. Super bright as always. And the thing is about them, they're super light. You know, if you're used to wearing an automatic, they're a little bit heavier for watches. The titanium, along with the GPS solar quartz, it's light. It's a lighter watch so that's probably, I guess, the most startling thing that people tell me about when they first try it on or look at it. They're like, wow, that's a light watch. I kind of like it. It's kind of neat to have a watch that you can kind of forget about, you throw on. You don't have to worry about setting it or anything. It's kind of like you just put it on and go. You know, I have a lot of automatics, and you know, every time you put one on, it's like, oh, you got to set it if you don't have it on a watch winder. So we're taking a look here at the limited edition Seiko and the SSH183. Thank you. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. Have a good one.